So firstly, the lesson objective is to solve multiplication problems using Numicon. And to be very specific, and I'll explain this to the children, I usually give them a provocation. I show them a picture of a city like Dubai, somewhere like London, somewhere like Paris, Nairobi, and I say to them, we are going to be architects for the day. And as architects, we've been given a job, an agenda for us to be able to build our own city. Then we explore what that city might possibly look like, and then we go straight into how we can use Numicon to build and design our own cities. So they will be given, and you'll see it on the screen now, they'll be given a task, and it will say something like, you need to build a city that has 7 buildings or 6 buildings, and in each building you have your own specific requirement that you must follow. So for example, building number 1, you must have a building that fits 4 people and has 5 floors. And what I do is I model to the children what this would look like. Now, if I've used Numicon before, I have an understanding that this number here represents 4, and if my pegs represent people, then I know that I'm going to need this shape. So what I do is I place this shape here, and I put my first person, my second person, my third person, my fourth person. Now, and that's why it's good to always have these tasks written down, because even the teacher makes a mistake. And there you go. 5 floors and a roof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one up here, this is my roof. And just like that, they've designed their first building. I've done the first one, and I've just shown you what another 2 buildings would look like. And essentially, the task would say to them, I need a building that can fit 5 people, and it must have 1, 2, 3 floors. Or I need a building that has 1, 2, 3 floors, and it can only fit 2 people. And then what you see now is a city being designed, being put together. And the essence of this lesson essentially is for children to understand that actually maths and numeracy can be applied in all aspects of life. You can link this to employment, you can link it to the role of an architect, but more importantly, you still want to introduce the skill of being able to multiply. And so the key here is posing the problem as a multiplication question, either at the beginning or at the end. So in this case, a building that fits 4 people and has 5 floors is the same as me asking you, what is 4 multiplied by 5? And when they start to put that together and understand that actually, if you can tell me how many people are in here by using your multiplication skills, you are essentially using math in a very applicable way.